sir?
Very well, thank you. How you doing?
I'm doing good. So, you're going to show me something today?
Yeah. I'm going to show you guys how to cut a salmon easy way and then become using a salmon for steak or sushi.
Let me see your ID. Hey, what's up?
Good day, man.
Good.
There's some salmon
Okay.
going on here.
Take one salmon.
Yes.
Okay. Okay.
Alright.
Here we go.
Thank you, sir. You have a good day, okay?
Sam. Take care, okay? Mattasan, I have some delivery for you. I don't know, maybe it look like it's a piece of salmon. Here you go, Mattasan. Salmon here.
What you got here?
Look like salmon to me.
That's right, that's salmon. Oh, that's right. Salmon's here.
So, have you checked the salmon yet?
No, I'm about to check it.
Okay. Let's see how is the salmon. How fresh it is.
Yep. Looks like good salmon right here. Oh, look at this, man. That's a beautiful salmon right here.
Nice.
Beautiful, isn't it?
Very fresh. Okay, food lover, so this is how you check the salmon, okay, whether it is fresh or it is unfresh, okay. So I'm gonna let Mattasan show you guys how to check the salmon, okay. Here you go, Mattasan. Tell them.
Guys,
Please.
Alright. See what we got here? It's a beautiful salmon. It's a beautiful piece of Norwegian salmon. It's from Faroe Island. Let me show you how to check, okay? First of all, you're gonna look at the eyes, okay, and make sure the eyes is really clear. Just like this. So the salmon is gonna be, the eyes is gonna be cloudy when the salmon is getting old. And then the second part, touch the body and then push it. When this one is not coming back, does that mean the salmon is not fresh? The third, we gotta check the bloodline.
Okay.
You see? So you can see it's fresh right here. Because the blood is still fresh. Number 4, make sure you check the gill. Make sure it's nice and still bloody. Okay guys, first of all we're gonna take the head off and we're gonna cut right here. Make sure you're wearing the glove for your safety. So, okay, guys, you're gonna see this is the bone in the backbone. So you're gonna place the knife just right on top bone. And when you're done that, you're gonna put your towel here and you're starting cut it. Go. Nice and easy. And there is a bone still in here, so we're gonna take this thing off. You're going to place your knife here and starting to cut it again. this bone, don't throw this away. There's some meat in here. What you can do, and you can saute that, put on top your salad. You can do a lot of things with it. I'll show you how to clean this one, okay? Okay, you're gonna use your spoon and then just start scrubbing it. Okay guys, so after you scrub all the salmon, and that's how it's gonna look. It's a good meat, and then it tastes better too because it's close to the bone. Like anything close to the bone, it have so much of flavor in there. You're gonna get taste of real salmon is in there, okay? Now we're gonna continue to cut the salmon. Okay, let's do this. First of all, we have to take all the bone in here. There's a bone. Alright guys, let's take the bone out first. As you see. So it's no more bone in this side. Usually it's just 2 or 3 sometimes, but this one is only 2, so we're good with the bone. Okay guys, now we're going to clean the belly part, which is like have a little bit bone in there on top of the meat, so we gotta trim this thing off. Okay. Okay. And guys, you can use this one for the soup or anything. You can deep fry it, this one, put seasoning in there. It tastes really good too, so don't throw away this one, okay? Guys, now we already cleaned the belly. Some people like the skin, but most of the time I clean it. I take the skin off. So I'm going to show you how to take the skin off. Easy, nice and clean, okay? So you're gonna need towel. Towel, and you start moving it. You don't move the knife, you move the towel with your hand. So you can fry this one if you want to. It tastes really good too. So guys, we got the salmon, the skin off. Now what you're going to do is up to you guys, but this time, I'm going to make a salmon wrap. So I'm going to show you how to make salmon wrap. So this is like a tip for you guys, okay? So first, we gotta cut this one. We can use this one for the steak. So for the sushi, we're gonna need 2 parts. So about this much. So this is how much you need for sushi. From here, we're going to cut it. Okay, now after we have we slice it 4 pieces, and then over here we have a lettuce, which is like we're going to use it for the lettuce wrap, and over here we have a shredded carrots, a cucumber, and then also the crab. Okay, now we're going to take this crab, just divide it by 2 and just place it over here and go for the next one. And we're gonna use a little bit cucumber in here. Okay, and you place the carrot, cucumber and crab meat in the same time, and after that we're going to roll it and you put it on top here. And the ginger, I use a ginger dressing to put the dressing on it. If you like spicy, you can put some hot sauce in there, and you can put some Cajun spice in there, whatever you like. Now, there it is. It's a salmon. So, Q, what do you think?
Looks good, but I'm missing something.
What is it?
Wasabi and ginger.
Oh, I'm sorry. Let me get that for you.
Okay.
Okay, Chef Q, you asked for wasabi. I got you wasabi here. And then, I'll mix it for you. Is that how much you need, Q? Or you need more than that?
To be enough.
Okay. I thought you want to cry.
Not right now.
Not right now, okay. There we go. Mix it up. I like a little bit ginger on mine. I don't know about you. Good. Be my guest.
Good, guys?
Very good.
It's definitely good. Definitely good. Fresh.
Mm-hmm.
You can taste
Yes.
the fish meat is still crunchy.
Really good, huh?
Very good.
Mm. Holiday in the corner, guys. Use this recipe for your holiday.
Oh yeah, baby. Look at that.
Look at that. Nice piece of meat.
Good try.
Okay, guys. If you like this video, please subscribe and
Okay, don't forget to like, share, and comment, okay?
guys, hit the bell. That way you know when we make the video, you're the first one you know about our video. And please comment below and let us know what do you want us to make for the next video. Thank you, guys.